Good morning, everyone. Randall Thor here with a daily weather report. Today is Thursday, the 20th of February, 2025. It is about 5 minutes after 8 this morning. Let's go ahead and go to today's forecast. It looks like we're at the tail end of the cold weather that we're supposed to be getting right now. Because glancing ahead at next week, spoiler alert, but next week it's supposed to be warm. Temperatures are climbing up into the upper 50s, lower 60s Fahrenheit. That's probably what? Somewhere in the upper 10s, lower 20s, I'm guessing. Celsius? I haven't converted, but that's just a guess. So it's gonna be warm next week. Today we just have to get through this last rush of cold weather. So today we've got two weather alerts going on. We have a winter weather advisory going on until noon today. On my way here, I saw light snow flurries just blustering through the wind. Nothing accumulating, just little teeny tiny particles of snow just blowing around and being blown around in the wind. Nothing more. I can still see some. Actually, you can't see it here. I'm not going to turn the camera that way, but there's just, it's just, you have to really look to see it. There's also a cold weather advisory. So the second alert doesn't actually kick in until 6 p.m. tonight. It goes from 6 p.m. tonight till 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, but it's a cold weather advisory telling us that it's going to be cold. It's not going to be above freezing today, is what I'm getting at here. Mostly sunny with a high near 29 Fahrenheit, -2 Celsius, so it's not expected to get above freezing today. Thankfully, as I said, mostly sunny, so you see the clear skies. It's going to be just one last rush of cold weather, and then we get to the warm weather next week. North-northwest winds 10 to 16 miles with gusts upwards of 26 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear with low around 10 Fahrenheit, -12 Celsius. North-northwest winds with up to 5 to 8 miles an hour, becoming calm after midnight. Wind gusts could go as high as 23 miles an hour. Oh, and I'm going to pull back the curtain a little bit, show you my handwritten notes that I scribble for these, because the thing with this is I don't have a secondary screen here, and I'm pretty sure that if I'm recording on my video on my phone and I switch to another app, it stops the recording on the camera. Makes sense. So I have to scribble notes. So that's that. That's really the weather today. There's not really much going on. Just cold. It's gonna be cold today. There's one thing that I wanted to mention, and that's, well, I don't have my other page. I had another page here with notes scribbled. No, I think I still have that. Do I still have that? As I try to keep the camera steady. And my Trapper Keeper here. I was going to do a brief lesson on what rain probability means, because you hear this a lot, and I was going to do just a brief discussion on, okay, when you hear there's a 90% chance of rain or a 30% chance of precipitation or whatever, what does that actually mean? What does the percentage actually mean? And just a little brief thing, and probably someone in the comments can clarify and elucidate you further, but basically it has to do with area of coverage more than anything else. Chance of precipitation it takes into effect the probability of precipitation, POP, based on a formula that takes into account the forecaster's confidence multiplied by the given coverage area. So the basic formula that you use to calculate chance of precipitation is POP, which is probability of precipitation, is equal to coverage of a given area times confidence. That's the basic formula there, and that gives you basically it's more the chance of precipitation, the percentage that you hear is more based on the given area and the likelihood, the probability, more than anything else. So that's just a brief summary, in case you're curious. Just a little bit of education there. That's all I have to say. Dining car this morning had biscuits and gravy this morning, and it was good. Had some orange juice to go with that. It was a pretty good breakfast. But I'm looking forward to, albeit cold, plenty of golden sunshine today, all along the way. Everyone, have a great day.